friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Cinamoroll as a devil. So first let's get started with the horns. So on the top we're going to curve this line out on the right. And then we're going to leave quite a big gap moving over on the left, lining it up at the same height and replicating that. From the inside corner now we're going to curve this line over and out towards the top. And then from that point we're just going to again curve this line around and then in on the bottom. Let's come down now. For the right eye, we're going to draw in a nice big oval for our right eye. And then again, leaving quite a big gap coming over on the left, we'll replicate that. On the inside corner of both eyes now, we're going to draw in another oval for the highlight of the eye. Coming underneath for the cheek now, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. In the middle for the mouth, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then from that point, we're going to arch this line back around and then in again. Moving over for the cheek, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. And then again on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around, blending that in. Let's close off the top of the head now with a nice big arch line from left to right. For the ear now, on both sides, we're going to curve this line up and then down. Moving out towards the side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. Now let's move down for the arms. We're going to curve this line around and then in. And then moving over on the right, leaving a gap, let's replicate that. Let's move down on a diagonal now. We're going to draw in an oval for the right foot. And then we're going to do the same thing over on the left. Closing off the side of the body, we're going to arch this line up on both sides. And now let's draw the pumpkin in the middle. So for the handle, we're going to draw in two arch lines, one on the bottom and then one on the top. We'll draw in a straight line that comes across. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line down as well on the left. On the left hand side now, we're going to curve this line in, and then we'll do the same thing on the right. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw in a small arch line. Now for the eyes, we're going to draw two triangles on the left and right hand side. Now for the mouth, on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. We're going to bring this line down, across, back up. And then we'll bring this line out again. To the right of this now, we're going to curve this line over. And then we'll bring this line up, across, and then back down. And then we're going to close this off from the corner, attaching that towards the top. Let's draw on the wings now. So on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. And then from this point, we're going to curve this line in on both sides. And then from that point in the middle, we're just going to curve this line back over towards the side of the body. And that is it. That's how you draw Cinamoroll as a devil. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.